Hi, this is Girija showing you how ReFigure works and some use cases for it. With ReFigure, you can collate and annotate figures from multiple domains to save your literature reviews, to share insights about a reagent or a particular experiment, and much more. We currently support 4 domains: PMC, eLife, PLOS, and Figshare. With PMC, we are able to access about 80% of all open access content. This is many of the studies that you will need in biology. Creating a ReFigure is very simple. I go to any paper that I want to refigure and just hit create new ReFigure. I can give it a title. The description field also allows me to provide a description, a theme for this ReFigure. You can consider this as an abstract for the ReFigure. The keywords allow me to improve the discoverability of this ReFigure when other people are searching for this information. Once I have created a ReFigure, I can just click on a figure to capture the image as well as the metadata surrounding it. All of these fields are editable: the legend, the article authors, article DOI. For instance, in this case, perhaps I can provide a better caption should I want to edit that. I can also add my own notes. The figure looks very small here, but you will see how it looks on refigure.org in our first use case. So this is a ReFigure created by my co-founder, Joe Aiken, about this antibody. He has compared published instances of this antibody from 2 different studies. So you can see there are 2 different papers. But with ReFigure, you can look at the data in one place. You can expand the figures as well as look at Joe's notes. If it's your own ReFigure, you can edit the figures as well as the text around them any number of times. Another use case we are very interested in is that of replication experiments. In this ReFigure, I have compared a replication study from the reproducibility project in cancer biology and the original studies. Again, having the figures in the same visual space helps immensely with analyzing the data and providing insight. Here I have provided my own subjective analysis, which goes beyond the numerical comparison of a direct replication. ReFigure can also be used to complement social media campaigns or news releases. I'm very interested in engaging with the community around immunotherapy. So when I heard the news that Adiro Biotech had enrolled their first patient in a clinical trial, I created this ReFigure, including clinical and preclinical data which underlie this trial. Similarly, I have created a ReFigure around Dicerna's RNAi therapeutics. I included 2 of their published studies here in preclinical models. I also included an independent study showing that the protein they are targeting is a relevant target in this disease. You may have seen the ReFigure extension doing some interesting things here. What it does is actually, as the reader is reading the paper, tells them that the content has been enriched, or as we say, refigured. So you can see that somebody has collected a figure and put it in this ReFigure. This really enriches the experience of reading a paper. For the ReFigure contributors, this improves the discoverability of their published content on refigure.org. I hope this has given you some ideas on how to create ReFigures and which ReFigures you might create. If there's anything we can help with, please don't hesitate to reach out.